If you're looking for information on the Swish Lifetime Deal and Review, you've come to the right place. The Swish Lifetime Deal was launched on AppSumo with a significant discount, and in this post, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the Swish Lifetime Deal, so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Save time, just write. You don't have to devote excessive time to managing your blog at the expense of writing articles. Swish takes care of everything necessary to maintain a top-notch blog, all without requiring your active involvement. Key features of Swish. All you need for a delightful experience. Offer your readers an excellent experience with speedy performance, a clutter-free layout, no intrusive ads or cookie banners, search engine optimized. We ensure that your site is appropriately ranked by search engines by implementing all the essential technical optimizations. Delightful experience. Offer your readers an excellent experience with speedy performance, a clutter-free layout, no intrusive ads or cookie banners. Search engine optimized. We ensure that your site is appropriately ranked by search engines by implementing all the essential technical optimizations. Automatic cross-posting. The feature enables automatic posting to various platforms like Medium, Dev.to, and Hashnode with the correct canonical URL set, and other platforms will be added in the future. Unlimited users. You can add as many users as you want and customize their permissions according to your preferences. You can have contributors. Analytics receive comprehensive insights into your blog's progress gathered with utmost respect for privacy. Analytics receive comprehensive insights into your integrations. Swish offers integrations that enable you to link your blog with other services, which is likely a part of a larger system. Swish offers integrations that enable you to link your blog, add an unlimited number of users like editors and contributors, and customize their unique permissions. Use your custom domain colors and fonts to create a blog with a clean design. Use your custom domain, colors, and fonts to create a blog with a clean design. Swish Overview. Swish is a zero-maintenance blogging platform that lets you manage your blog, automate SEO tasks, and monitor analytics for each post. Swish is built to take on all the nitty-gritty details that go into maintaining a blog. Just post content, or import existing content from Medium, WordPress, and Dev to get started. Swish will optimize images, add an RSS feed, and manage all the technical aspects of running a blog for fast loading times and a seamless reading experience. Say goodbye to using random, third-party analytics tools. This platform lets you collect analytics for your posts and save user information without cookies. Swish is also packed with SEO features to make sure your posts rank high on search engines. This platform will compress or lazy load images, cache pages, use custom domains, and get a perfect score on Google Lighthouse, even if you're not an SEO expert. Want to improve your site's architecture? Take advantage of canonical URLs to group similar pages and make your content more accessible to visitors. Best of all, Swish supports third-party integrations like Medium, WordPress, Disks, and Google Analytics to fit right into your workflow. That means you can add comments, cross-post to other platforms, import posts from various sources, and restrict posts to subscribers. Plus, the custom code integration lets you integrate more services into the platform, even if they're not directly supported by Swish. Swish allows unlimited users on every plan, so you can get your entire team on board and assign different roles and permissions for each user. Set predefined roles and permissions for administrators, editors, reviewers, authors, and contributors to boost collaboration. You can even invite clients with limited permissions to view project progress, which is super useful for marketing agencies. With a dynamic blogging platform in your tech stack, running your blog is as easy as running your dishwasher. Swish is packed with features and integrations to help you manage a high-quality blog, so you can just focus on writing awesome content. Grow your blog without breaking a sweat. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Swish today. One-time purchase of $49 only.